Hi, my name is Sadguna Palarapu and today I am going to be saying about fluency. Fluency is important in order to be a better English speaker. Fluency is defined as the ability to speak or write any particular foreign language easily and accurately. For being fluent, first we have to be specialized in 4 key features. Those are reading, writing, speaking and listening. And to be fluent, there are 5 steps which will make us a better speaker. The first step is reading aloud. Reading aloud for at least 15 minutes a day will help us in many ways. First, it will help us to understand what we are reading. Second, it will help us to pronounce the words correctly. And third, it will give us the confidence to speak fluently. And we can start this with 2 tips. First, start it slowly. By starting slowly, you will pronounce the words correctly and also you will understand the words within the time you are saying the next word. And the second tip is big mouth technique. Big mouth technique is a technique using your mouth, widening your mouth and saying the words. This will help us to pronounce the words more clearly and will also help us in communication. If we are far from a person, they will be able to understand what we are saying through our lips. So this method is also useful for reading aloud. We have to imagine that there is a ball in our mouth and say it like that. It is a method for saying it out. And the next step is listening exercises. Listening exercises is very important as without listening we can't speak. So we can do this by listening to many audiobooks. We can start with some short stories and we can also listen to or we can do shadowing. Shadowing will help us in it is the method of rewinding the audio so that you can see how the words are actually pronounced. And not only shadowing, we can also transcribe the text by listening to audio and writing it down. This will help us to grasp the words easily in a conversation. It will help us in understanding what others are saying so we don't have to stop a conversation. And the next step is thinking in English. We have to think in English as it will boost our fluency. While we change our mind language from native language to English, it will help us to frame new sentences and will give us the curiosity to learn the more words. So these are the tips of thinking in English. The first tip is keeping asking on questions to yourself. It may be when you are free or while you are doing some other work. For example, washing dishes. You can keep asking questions like whatever you see around yourself. How many dishes are there? Or till when I will wash these dishes, etc. And the second method is listening to podcasts. While listening to podcasts, you will know, you will hear better and you will also respond to what they are saying. Thank you.